All right, let's get your patient started. Each person must have their own account to record and create their personalized voice. No sharing accounts here. Each voice is unique, just like each person. Go to mov.acapela-group.com and click Start Now at the top of the page. Fill in the basics: first name, last name, email, and so on. Purpose: make sure your patient selects medical. This unlocks a few more fields. Have them enter your name and email so you're copied on all milestone updates about their voice. If they're getting financial support, say from Team Gleason or the VA, they should check the third-party backing box. If no financial support is yet secured, select Not Applicable. Next, choose a male or female voice. Then pick the language. We offer 25. Just note that each language has its own 50-phrase set and needs its own license. Your patient can pick as many languages as they need. When everything's filled in, click Send. Once your patient has their account approved, it's time to log in and take a look around. Go to mov.acapela-group.com and click Login at the top of the toolbar. Enter your patient's username and password from the email they received once their account was approved. Once you're logged in, you may receive terms and conditions that need to be approved upon the first login. Simply scroll down, click the box to approve, and press Enter. Now, our menu overview. First, we have recordings. This is where all the action happens. Start recording, access the voice file, and purchase the final voice here. Next, we have Profile. This is where you can view and update the patient's personal info like email, address, and phone number. Next, your custom messages. Here's where your patient can create up to 300 personalized phrases. This is optional. These might be useful requests or signature sayings like, "Good morning, pumpkin." We'll get into this one in more detail soon. Next, share your legacy. Patients can share their original recordings, that's the 50 base phrases, plus any custom ones, with up to 5 loved ones via email. It's a meaningful option we've added by popular request, and all secure going forward. Last, settings. This is where your patient can change his or her password or remove their account if needed.